Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Child Care Development Center expansion, the ribbon cutting for it. We are so glad you all decided to join us today, and we are really excited to reveal this project to the community.
Come in, 1, 2, 3, smiling.
Back in July 1st of 2001, we put an application in to set aside funds to do the construction here at Concho. The goal at the time was that we wanted to at least add 3 more classrooms.
We have a high demand of childcare in this community, so this expansion helps decrease our waiting list. We have 69 on our waiting list right now, so we'll be able to accept more kiddos.
It's really been a long journey because we've had to go, with a couple of different contractors, but to see it finally come all together today is just really rewarding, not only for the ladies here, the kids here, but our community, all the working parents, and it's probably one of my favorite projects to ever have worked on with the tribes, just because of how much it's going to give back to our community.
This expansion is roughly 3,100 square feet. It adds 3 new classrooms, allowing more families to be served and more children to thrive. It includes new restrooms for both students and staff, and a teacher's lounge, a small but meaningful investment in the people that give so much to guide and uplift the children every single day.
Providing these things for our youth is fundamental to everything that we always talk about. We always say that our youth are our future and our priority. This is one of many things that shows that not only are our youth our priority, but they are our future.